A blessed day, learners. It's me again, Teacher Lumaban, and if you are new in my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be updated in my videos. This time our topic will be on general science, exercises, said 6b. I hope you learn something and enjoy this video. Please share it with your friends to also learn about this topic. Be safe, and God bless you always.
Commit your way to the Lord, trust also in him, and he shall bring it to pass. Psalm 37 verse 5.
What explains the endosymbiosis hypothesis? Letter A. Algae developed from protozoa. Letter B. Protozoa developed from algae. Letter C. Eukaryotes developed from prokaryotes. Letter D. Prokaryotes developed from eukaryotes. Choose the suitable answer based on the given choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter C. Eukaryotes developed from prokaryotes. The endosymbiosis hypothesis explains how eukaryotes developed from prokaryotes. The endosymbiotic theory states that some of the organelles in today's eukaryotic cells were once prokaryotic microbes. They eventually lost their cell wall and much of their DNA because they were not of benefit within the host cell. Mitochondria and chloroplasts cannot grow outside their host cell. Which of the following choices is not included as an archaea? Letter A. Halophils. Letter B. Methanogens. Letter C. Cyanobacteria. Letter D. Thermocidophiles. Choose the suitable answer based on the given choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter C. Cyanobacteria. The archaea include all of the following except cyanobacteria. Cyanobacteria, also called blue-green algae, are microscopic organisms found naturally in all types of water. These single-celled organisms live in fresh, brackish, combined salt and fresh water, and marine water. These organisms use sunlight to make their food. Which of the following bacteria lack a cell wall and are therefore resistant to penicillin? Letter A. Spirochetes. Letter B. Delovibrios. Letter C. Mycoplasmas. Letter D. Cyanobacteria. Choose the suitable answer based on the given choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter C. Mycoplasmas. The mycoplasmas lack a cell wall and are resistant to penicillin. Mycoplasma is a genus of bacteria that lack a cell wall around their cell membranes. This characteristic makes them naturally resistant to antibiotics that target cell wall synthesis. They can be parasitic or saprotrophic. What is called the cluster of polar flagella? Letter A. Petrotrichus. Letter B. Monotrichus. Letter C. Amphitrichus. Letter D. Lophotrichus. Choose the suitable answer based on the given choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter D. Lophotrichus. A cluster of polar flagella is called Lophotrichus. Lophotrichus bacteria have multiple flagella located at the same spot on the bacteria's surfaces which act in concert to drive the bacteria in a single direction. In many cases, the bases of multiple flagella are surrounded by a specialized region of the cell membrane, the so-called polar organelle. How do flagella move the cell? Letter A, spinning like a propeller. Letter B, attaching to nearby particles and contracting. Letter C, an individual flagellum beating in a whip-like motion. Letter D, many flagella beating in a synchronous, whip-like motion. Choose the suitable answer based on the given choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter A, spinning like a propeller. Flagella move the cell by spinning like a propeller. A flagellum is a lash-like appendage that protrudes from the cell body of certain cells termed as flagellates. A flagellate can have one or several flagella. What is composed of the protein from which hook and filament of flagella? Letter A, casein. Letter B, keratin. Letter C, gelatin. Letter D, flagellin. Choose the suitable answer based on the given choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter D, flagellin. The protein from which hook and filaments of flagella are composed of, is flagellin. Flagellin is a globular protein that arranges itself in a hollow cylinder to form the filament in a bacterial flagellum. It has a mass of about 30,000 to 60,000 daltons. Flagellin is the principal component of bacterial flagella and is present in large amounts on nearly all flagellated bacteria. What is mostly occur in single or pairs of the coesi? Letter A, diplococci. Letter B, tetracocci. Letter C, streptococci. Letter D, none of these. Choose the suitable answer based on the given choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter A, diplococci. The coesi which mostly occur in single or pairs are diplococci. A diplococcus, plural diplococci, is a round bacterium, a coccus, that typically occurs in the form of 2 joined cells. Which of the following choices may contain fimbriae? Letter A, gram-positive bacteria. Letter B, gram-negative bacteria. Letter C, both, A and B. Letter D, none of these. Choose the suitable answer based on the given choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter B, gram-negative bacteria. The gram-negative bacteria may contain fimbriae. In bacteriology, a fimbria, also referred to as an attachment pilus by some scientists, is a short appendage found on many gram-negative and some gram-positive bacteria, and that is thinner and shorter than a flagellum. Which of the following may account for peptidoglycan of the dry weight of cell wall in many gram-positive bacteria? Letter A, about 10%. Letter B, about 20%. Letter C, 11% plus 0.22%. Letter D, 50% or more. Choose the suitable answer based on the given choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter D, 50% or more. Peptidoglycan accounts for 50% or more of the dry weight of cell walls in many gram-positive bacteria. The peptidoglycan, murine, SACCULUS is a unique and essential structural element in the cell wall of most bacteria. Made of glycan strands cross-linked by short peptides, the SACCULUS forms a closed, bag-shaped structure surrounding the cytoplasmic membrane. What happens to bacteria having no flagella? Letter A, unable to move. Letter B, unable to reproduce. Letter C, unable to grow in nutrient agar. Letter D, unable to stick to tissue surfaces. Choose the suitable answer based on the given choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter A, unable to move. Bacteria having no flagella are unable to move. Bacterial flagella are filamentous organelles that drive cell locomotion. They thrust cells in liquids, swimming, or on surfaces, swarming, so that cells can move toward favorable environments. Which of the following is true about the cell wall of gram-positive bacteria? Letter A. It contains teichoic acids. Letter B. It consists of multiple layers. Letter C. It is thicker than that associated with gram-negative bacteria. Letter D. All of these. Choose the suitable answer based on the given choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter D. All of these. The cell wall of gram-positive bacteria contains teichoic acids, consists of multiple layers, and is thicker than that associated with gram-negative bacteria. Gram-positive bacteria are bacteria classified by the color they turn in the staining method. Hans Christian Gram developed the staining method in 1884. The staining method uses crystal violet dye, which is retained by the thick peptidoglycan cell wall found in gram-positive organisms. What enzyme of the cell walls of many gram-positive bacteria be easily destroyed? Letter A, lipase. Letter B, lysozyme. Letter C, pectinase. Letter D, peroxidase. Choose the suitable answer based on the given choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter B, lysozyme. The cell walls of many gram-positive bacteria can be easily destroyed by the enzyme known as lysozyme. Lysozyme, also known as muramidase or N-acetylmuramide glycohydrolase, is an antimicrobial enzyme produced by animals that form part of the innate immune system. What is the other term for peptidoglycan? Letter A, murine mucopeptide. Letter B, N-acetylglucosamine. Letter C, N-acetylmuramic acid. Letter D, mesodiaminopimetic acid. Choose the suitable answer based on the given choices in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter A, murine mucopeptide. Peptidoglycan is also known as murine mucopeptide. The peptidoglycan, murine, SACCULUS is a unique and essential structural element in the cell wall of most bacteria. Made of glycan strands cross-linked by short peptides, the SACCULUS forms a closed, bag-shaped structure surrounding the cytoplasmic membrane.
I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. I hope you enjoyed, learned something new about our topic on the general science, exercises, said 6b. If you learned something in this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video with your friends to also learn about this topic. If you have comments, questions, and suggestions, you can leave a message in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching my videos, hoping that we meet again in my next vlog, and God bless you always.